Welcome to today's lesson. We're clearing up the confusion between little and few. First, remember use little for things you cannot count, like water or time. Use few for things you can count, like apples, books, or people. Now the nuance. Little without a sounds negative, like I have little water. There's not enough. But a little is positive. It means you have some and it's enough to get by. The same applies to few. I have few apples sounds sad because you don't have enough. A few apples is positive. It means you have enough to share. Remember, just add a to make the meaning positive. Keep this in your notes. No a is negative. With a is positive. Great job. If you want to speak and write English fluently without second guessing yourself, hit that play button. Subscribe to this channel for more fun, bite-sized, and stress-free English lessons every week. Visuals are here and you need some help.